back to another bright sunny day in Central Florida. Brand new video, welcome back. My name is Jonathan. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go subscribe and show support to your boy. I got all 3 cars running right now, so I gotta do a lot of moving around. So for those of you who missed the last video, this is what I got right now. I got some the 2012 Fusion SE wheels for the Fusion. If anyone doesn't know about these wheels, these only came on the 2012. You know, the 2010, 2011 came with those right there, the hubcaps and the steelies. Don't know why they did it like that, but oh well. But those are gonna go on. I just ordered the center caps for them because they didn't come with them, and they definitely need to get cleaned up. So I'm gonna take those out and give those good cleaning up if I put them on the car. And then back here are the Type S wheels I picked up from Melbourne, and the person who's going to trade wheels with me is on the way. And I know a lot of you thought I got rid of these, but nope, they're still here. Those are not going anywhere. But the original plan was to fix these up, restore them. You see there's a lot of curb rash on them. I was gonna fix those up and either make those my new wheels for that car or sell them. Oh, and the guy's here right now. All right, gotta go. And there goes the new Type S wheels on it right there. Straight up guy, man. He subscribed to me and everything, bro. That's love. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So these are the Fusion wheels, like I said, and so here's the new wheels. Can anybody guess what they are? No? Maybe if I put them to go inside of it. No? Not ringing any bells? Okay, I'll stop teasing then. The A-spec wheels. Finally got a set of A-spec wheels. Crazy story about those wheels. I actually remember seeing his car sometime last year. There was an older guy that was selling it. It belonged to his daughter, and he had a for sale sign on it. And I actually happened to be working, around there. So I got in contact with the owner, and I was like, hey, by any chance, would you be interested in maybe selling those A-spec wheels? And he said, I was thinking about it, but I don't have any other wheels for the car. So I'd rather just leave them on instead of having to buy new wheels, when I'm trying to get rid of the cars. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I was not gonna offer him the Type S wheels. That was not gonna happen. So I just, all right, whatever, cool. But you know what? When something's meant for you, it'll find its way back to you. So here they are. Now I got them in my possession. I got all 4 of them right there. There's no center caps on them because I let him keep his center caps that he had on them. It's only fair. So I'm probably gonna just take the center caps out the Type S wheels, just put them on here whenever I want to use them. And obviously I'm no good with the camera, my bad. And then just swap them out whenever I feel like it. The tires on them look really, really good. And they are all matching and they look pretty damn brand new. What are these? Primewell PS 890 Touring. I have no idea about those, but 235, 45, 18. I believe that is a standard size for the spec wheels, and maybe 235, 40. I'm not 100% sure, but I know normally for 18-inch wheels, you would run like a profile lower to compensate for the extra size and diameter. But yeah, they're looking really, really good shape. Yeah, there's a couple little nicks and curb rash here and there. That's to be expected. These are off of a 05 TL, so good. What, 16 years old? But yeah, they look in really good shape. None of them look like they have any bends or anywhere. So yeah, man. Oh, let me show the front of this one. So yeah, now I'm clean them up real quick, and I guess I'll put them on. Maybe I'll just rock those for a little bit. But I'm gonna clean these up first. I put those on the Fusion over there. See how they look. So it's something, right? So as I'm cleaning the inside of this first wheel right here, I noticed this. See that right there? It says bent. Man, that's really the problem when you're buying used stuff. Like, you really just never know what it's been through, what to expect. So unfortunately, I believe this was the wheel that had the tire on it, that the tread was good, but the tire was blown out. You can see that it had probably hit a curb or a pothole or something that actually may have caused the accident as to why the car was totaled. They probably hit something and blew the tire out, lost control. And yeah, Unfortunately, they lost their car. It's a come up for me in terms of, I got the wheels I've been looking for a long time, but sucks that they lost their car. But thankfully, they survived. They're not injured, and they had full coverage insurance on their car. They got a new one, because Ford Fusions, man, like, I don't know if people really have like a really good attachment to them, but I know a lot of people buy them because they're very, very reliable, solid vehicles, and it really is. And you've heard me talk about this car many times in videos, that it's a really, really great car. It's reliable, it's super comfortable, this, that, and the third. So, for what I'm looking at right here, where they wrote where it says bent, and I'm pretty sure the tire shop did that when they were balancing it. See, they put the weights right there and one on the inside here. I think right here, yeah, it is right here. I see a flat spot right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get some of this water out of there. Yeah, there's a flat spot right there. Yeah. So I think that's where it's at, where they wrote bent on it. So it's no big deal. It's fixable. Just later on I'll take it to bent rim repair and get them to fix that. But for right now, I'll just mount the tire on the passenger rear. That way I'm not really gonna feel it as much as I would if it was on the front or on the back driver's side, or even the front passenger side. But I'm not gonna let it stop me. I'm gonna finish cleaning it up. I'm not gonna do a video of all 4 of these because I don't want to take up too much time on the video. So let me finish cleaning this one up, and then I'll fast forward to when I'm actually putting them on the car. Alright, so fast forward about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I unfortunately didn't get the whole cleaning thing on video because I had a couple important phone calls that came in, so I kind of just did that. Stupid fly. I kind of just did that while I was on the phone, but I'm going to show you guys how they came out. So there's a 2012 Fusion wheels, all nicely cleaned up. The center caps for them should be here tomorrow. I wasn't able to find silver ones to match, but I did find some black ones, so then the black would go pretty well because, the car is pretty blacked out with a tint, and then I got the smoked headlights and all that, so I think that'll give it a nice little touch. But yeah, these are really, really great condition for the price I got them for, and then of course the tires I got yesterday as well. So they came out very, very nice. And then the A-spec wheels are over here, sitting in the sun, drying up. They didn't clean up as well on the inside, but I plan on getting these painted at some point anyways, so I really wasn't too worried about it. I just wanted to get all the dirt and the brake dust and the axle grease off one of them. I guess the guy had a busted axle, so there's a lot of grease inside one of them, but they're in pretty, pretty good shape, man. I mean, of course, there's little nicks and little road rash here and there, but that's to be expected. These wheels came off of an 05 TL, so yeah, I'd say that's part of the worst one right there. That looks like it was probably dropped on its face. But yeah, they look really good. They look really, really good, both wheels. I'm gonna get the garage cleaned up, and I'm gonna do the Fusion wheels first. Do like a little walk around of that, and then I'll do the TL wheels, and then that'll pretty much finish off this video. So let's go. So here's the old wheels. You see the tires are pretty worn down. That's what happens when you get suspension work done and don't get an alignment in time. That was my mistake. That one's good. That was on the back. Another bald rim right here. You can see how it's balding on the outside of it. That's outer camber wear. And the back one is good. So these 2 tires right here are the best ones. So I could probably even keep those as spares, but I definitely got to replace those 2 if I decide to use those wheels in the future. But I'm gonna park it on the street. I mean, there's a little sneak peek right there. I'm gonna park it on the street so I can get a real good walk around, because in the garage is not the best place for it. But so far, it's looking good. It's looking real good. So here's how the Fusion looks now with the 2012 wheels. Will look a lot better once I get the center caps put on, but for right now they look a little better. Top caps were nice and all, but it's kind of annoying going on a highway with them and then losing one of them once in a while, and I have to keep buying new ones. So this brand now has got a solid set of alloy wheels. And yeah, man, they look good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. How you think they look? I'll take another picture of it or so and post it on my Instagram once I get the center caps put on. Ready to see the TL? There you go. Definitely differs in color. And I'm gonna have to get new tires because they are rubbing pretty bad. The guy was running a 235/45 on an 18. Should have been 235/40. Looks good, but definitely not safe to run like that. So I'm gonna have to look for some new tires. Might just get the Firestones again. But at least that's how it looks for right now. Whips are looking good. Alright, yo, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching to the end. I appreciate all of it that's been subscribing and liking and sharing. If you guys are new, once again, please make sure you like, subscribe this video, and join the family. I really appreciate you. It helps out the YouTube algorithm a whole lot. So thank you for checking this out. Hope you guys like the new setup on both cars. Like I said, I'm about to get some new tires for the 8-spec wheels, but you know how it goes, man. Trial and error. Still was a good deal either way. So take care, everybody. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.